Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can allow any unknown source app installation in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So if in this device, if you want to allow any unknown sourced app installation, or if you want to install any app which is sourced from any unknown source, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you. Before you move to the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.